Hi guys, welcome back. Miss Abate here. All right, so we're going to be working on part 2 of our short A, long A spelling activity. Okay, so let's review. The short A makes what sound? A. Long A makes what sound? A. Good. Now, how do we make a word say the long A sound? We add that silent E at the end. Very good. Like we have the word hat. We add a silent E, it makes hate. We have the word cap. We add the silent E, it makes cape. Very good. Okay, so we're actually going to do a quick activity first before we go ahead and get on with our actual lesson. Okay, so I am going to move through this activity pretty quickly just to save some time on this video. So of course, if you need to, pause the video, rewind, whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that you get the activity done. Okay, so we are going to be making something that has a short A on one side, and then we flip it over, we have the silent E, and it makes it say the long A sound, okay? So it changes the word when we add that silent E, right? So I'm first gonna show you how to make this, okay? So again, I'm gonna move a little quickly, okay? So I need you to watch, pause when you need to. Okay, so we have the paper long ways, not up and down, but side to side. So we're gonna fold one side towards the middle, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we're gonna fold it towards the middle. You can just kind of eyeball it to see what looks about right. Okay, crease it, and then fold that other piece over top of it. So you can see that mine's not perfect, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's okay. All right, so now we're gonna leave it folded like this. We're gonna fold it in half this way. Crease it and fold it in half again. Okay, fold it in half again. Okay, boom. So now open everything back up. Okay, so we have all these nice lines. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm going to close. So if you're looking at me, so I'm gonna turn it this way. So I'm gonna close just this side, okay? So I can see mine's uneven, so I'm just gonna fix it a little bit. That's okay. Okay. I'm gonna bring it towards the middle, just because I want mine to look good. So basically, all I'm doing is this side, closing it in half. Okay, that's it for right now. That's it. All right. So actually, I'm gonna join on my phone, so that way I can hold it over like a document camera. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, you know what? It's okay, because it's gonna take me a little bit, so I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna do that. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, okay? So we're gonna write some short A sounds in these spaces. So remember, if you're looking at it, we closed this and we're writing here, okay, on these 4 right here. All right, so the first word that we're gonna write down is tap. 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 That's all we're doing. Tap. Second word we're going to write down, mad. M-A-D. Mad. Make sure you write it big enough like mine to where you can see it. You don't want to write it teeny tiny. Third word, cap. 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 And the fourth word, car. Car. Tap, mad, cap, car. Good. So now we open up this flap, okay? And right here in this middle space, we're gonna write that silent E down on all 4 of those. Write that silent E down. So it looks like this now. Okay? All right. So this is just a little practice for you to do at home. Tap. Open it up. Tape. Close it. Mad. Open it up. What's the new word? Made. Cap. Open it up. What's the new word with that silent E? Cape. Car. With that silent E. Care. Good job. Okay. So last thing that we're going to do is we have it closed like this. Where we have these lines, we're going to cut just right here to the end. Okay. We're not cutting the whole thing off. So watch. So I open it up, open this flap up just a little bit, and I cut right on that line like this. Boom. I'm going to do it to the next one where that little crease is that I made. So again, now it's a little bit easier. Tap. What's the new word? Tape. Close that flap. Mad. Open up that flap. Made, right? So you have this nice little chart right here that you can open these up, and we have our short A and then our long A, and then you can close it like this, boom, boom, to keep it nice and safe. All right, so I hope you were able to get that activity done. Hope you rewinded, paused, whatever it is that you needed to do to be able to get that done. All right, so let's move into our actual work for the day. Make sure you have another piece of paper and another thing to write with, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. All right. So the spelling activity that we're gonna do today is you're gonna listen, okay? You're gonna read the words, or excuse me, read the letters